Don't you just love Lorraine in the morning? Breakfast is served. There's nothing wrong with that. The weather's looking slightly overcast. And it is supposed to be raining by now. And that's not a complaint. So that's a good observation. So I'm hoping that the low cloud that we have at the moment burns off, and that my ride is able to take place. Right, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and hopefully see you guys on the road. Well, as you can tell, I have my clear visor on. So you can see the whites of my eyes. I like wearing my dark black visor, but what I realised when I was riding around the M25, the sound quality of the microphone was much, much better. So the black visor is an aftermarket, non-showy visor, and I think it's creating more of an air leak. So you'll have to settle with looking at my ugly mush today, but hopefully, all being well, both you and I will have better sound quality. Just need the rain gods to be kind today. Wales has had enough rain for at least the next 3 hours. 4 hours. So it'd be nice to be able to do the Black Mountain and Devil's Staircase. And as you can tell at the moment, the road is dry. Guess there's going to be little patches here and there of wetness, like that. I guess that's to be expected and accepted. It would be a shame to come all this way and not be able to do it. Anyway, let's get on to something a little bit more dramatic and whatever. This is literally just the A4069 from where I stayed, and I'm making my way to the start of what is going to be the Black Mountain Pass. See you in a minute. Well, from experience, you probably can't see way off in the distance like I can, but you'll have to trust me when I tell you that the big hill, the grassy green thing that's directly ahead of in front of us, is kind of where I'm headed, and that's not the horizon. It's sitting on top of that big grassy green thing. That's cloud, so that's not good. Oh, will you look at that? Yeah, I got a little bit of low cloud over to my right hand side, and kind of really to my left hand side looks really nice. So, why am I here? Well, I was told by Google that this road was the road that's used by Top Gear to film all of their car pieces in Wales. Unfortunately, it's not. Fortunately, it's still extremely picturesque, so please ignore Google when they tell you that the Black Mountain Pass is the road used in Top Gear. It's not. I thank you. Car scenes on Top Gear. So when I was planning my route a while ago to come to Wales, I thought it would be a hoot, as I've been a Top Gear fan for a very, very long time, to come and ride this road. So a little bit later on today, I think from what I can see on here, this route is going to last about 17 miles. I'm told that it's well patrolled with police cars rather, and clearly there is a speed limit, and the Welsh authorities don't want us to be a Jeremy Clarkson even, and drive like an idiot, or even drive like Jeremy Clarkson. So yeah, I'm just going to try and admire the scenery, avoid the sheep, and cool, I tell you what, I can feel the temperature dropping the more I rise up into the mountain for it. So yeah, I was planning to run my my drone, but I don't know if you can hear on the microphone. I'm doing 40-ish miles per hour because, unfortunately, that's what the speed limit is. There is no way I could fly a drone here today. That is proper strong breeze. Anyway, so yeah, this is 17 miles long from basically where I took my photograph, which I'll put on screen, to the end of the Black Mountain Pass, I think it's called. It's a brave soul in Lycra cycling over the Black Mountain as we speak. And the idea is that I'm going to go on and ride the Devil's Staircase, but that is weather permitting. And if this cloud decides that it wants to turn into rain, then I was going to swear then, so that'll have to do. The road surface is kind of graded, so you can feel the bike with a little bit of load on it moving round underneath me. So to be honest, oh here you go, we're in proper cloud now. Look at that. Can you see? I can't see nothing but cloud, man. Oh, what a shame. Yeah, with the load I've got on the bike, mostly underpants, you understand, there's no way I'd want to go any quicker. Shame. Right, I'm going to turn off. There it is. Really is kind of pointless. It's mostly starting to descend now, the other side of it. I don't know if you can see. It really is the closest thing we can get. That's beautiful out there. I'm literally looking through my right ear to show you a picture to my left. Okay, let's watch the road. The GSA handles it with ease. You'll have to pull up and take a little photograph in a moment. I tell you what, you wouldn't want to overshoot any of the corners. photographic opportunity.
Bit of a shame. That's kind of the direction over there, way off in the distance. That's kind of where it came from. Right back down along here, and it kind of heading that way. It's lovely. Unfortunately, it's not particularly good for this camera. Can't really see an awful lot, but you trust me, it's lovely, and yeah. Right, onwards and upwards, or downwards and then upwards. Let's hope the Devil's Staircase behaves itself.
So effectively, this is all part of the Brecon Beacons, and as I understand it, and I may be wrong, I'm now out of and have completed the Black Mountain pass, and rather nice it was too, albeit under cloud. Yeah, it was lovely. So just following my way along to another postcode I logged into my sat nav to start off the Devil's Staircase. So that's the Black Mountain part of my ride done. And now I'm literally just making my way to what will be the start of the Devil's Staircase. Now I know I did say that the postcode that I was travelling to just now was the start of the Devil's Staircase, but I was wrong. Ooh, steady, the sun's coming out.